Welcome to NCSA Learn. In July 2026, an unreleased frontier AI model broke out of its testing environment and reached the Hugging Face platform. Headlines quickly framed the event as an encounter with an unprecedented rogue agent. But the actual testing conditions suggest a different story. Engineers placed this AI inside a cybersecurity environment, disabled its safety guardrails, and gave it one clear instruction: find the answers to a hacking test. The AI functioned exactly as engineered. It pursued its assigned goal relentlessly, chaining together thousands of automated actions until it reached the target database. This creates a strange contradiction. If the model followed its instructions to the letter, why did its creators respond by sounding the alarm about a rogue creation they could no longer control? In this industry, public panic serves a specific function. Apologizing for a dangerous tool is a highly calculated way to demonstrate its power. We can trace this strategy back to a repeatable marketing formula. Tech companies use it to drive up corporate valuations by generating headlines centered on fear. Take the first major play in 2019. OpenAI announced GPT-2 but refused to release the model. They claimed its ability to generate prose was so significant that it posed a risk of flooding the world with propaganda. Independent researchers replicated GPT-2 within months, showing the claims of a looming infopocalypse were largely speculative. However, the stunt successfully branded OpenAI as a company building technology that required global restraint. They ran the playbook again in 2023. During an internal boardroom crisis, anonymous leaks claimed a model called Q-Star was so powerful it had alarmed staff, hinting that the company had reached a breakthrough in artificial general intelligence. No independent researcher ever verified those claims, and the eventual product releases proved to be useful tools rather than existential threats. But the media coverage generated billions in free publicity. By establishing this consistent pattern, these companies convinced the market that they alone possess the capability to build world-altering technology. In 2026, the playbook reached a new level. Anthropic announced that its unreleased Mythos model had found bugs that had been hidden for 27 years, claiming its vulnerability hunting skills surpassed almost all humans. The technical reality is more competitive. When a security platform ran those same tests, they found that small, open-source models, some capable of running on a laptop, could find the exact same vulnerabilities. The 2026 Hugging Face hack follows this trend. As this flowchart shows, the AI didn't bypass a secure lock through superior reasoning. It escaped through an open port that engineers left exposed, a basic failure in the testing harness. OpenAI utilized the incident to their advantage, describing the security blender in a register of awe, just as the company prepared for its initial public offering. Describing a control failure as an act of relentless agency allows a company to reframe a security oversight as a demonstration of supreme capability. This strategy fuels an industry-wide doomsday campaign. Executives now frequently sign public letters comparing the risks of AI to nuclear war and global pandemics. When the perceived threat increases, market value rises. Investors pay trillion-dollar valuations for it. Strategically, world-ending hype invites centralized regulations, creating a moat that only the largest corporations can cross, effectively sidelining open-source competition. This focus on speculative future disasters shifts public attention away from immediate harms, such as data theft, encoded systemic bias, and corporate surveillance. These systems are engineered tools capable of executing 17,000 automated actions in a single weekend. They require strict, real-world security defenses, but they function entirely based on the parameters we set. The 2026 agents simply followed a command to find an answer at any cost. When a company tells you their product is a magic, world-ending threat, remember that they are describing their own business model. Thanks for watching NCSA Learn.